Hey guys, I have good news for you. I'm here to tell you that you have to stop searching for ways to make money online. I have the solution to your problem. So please, watch the video and you'll understand why.
What is the One Funnel Away Challenge? Hey, Mark Nelson here. What I want to do today is I'm going to show you what the One Funnel Away Challenge is, review what it can do for you and your business, and suggest if you should be doing this or not. So what is the One Funnel Away Challenge? Well, I'll tell you the truth. I'm coming from the inside of my RV. And the One Funnel Away Challenge helped pay for this. This was my wife and my dream. We live on the lake. The lake's like 30 feet below us. We get to go out in our pontoon every day, and guess what that One Funnel Away Challenge has done? It has helped pay for both of those. So hang tight. I'm going to my computer, and I'm going to share with you what the One Funnel Away Challenge exactly is. Hey, as promised, I'm back on my computer, and I want to share with you what the One Funnel Away Challenge is and how it can help you build your business. Now, when I came online, I really struggled because I really didn't know what I should be doing every day. You know, I followed so many different people and just didn't understand everything. And then I started hearing about this One Funnel Away Challenge given by Clickfunnels. So let me go through it in what it can do for you and your business and what it did for me. See, the One Funnel Away Challenge is a 30-day program, training program. And what it does, it gets step-by-step coaching to help you create and launch your first or next funnel. Totally from scratch in just 30 days, even if you don't have a product or offer. See, I didn't have a product. I didn't know, I wanted to make money online. I just didn't even know how to do it. I didn't know how to sell anything. So here is the One Funnel Away Challenge. When you come on, it's a video by Russell Brunson, which is just, the dude is a genius. But here he talks about the life you want, the marriage you want, the family that you want is going to be fueled by the business you build. And it is so true. So as we go down here, Russell talks about what the One Funnel Away Challenge can mean to you. And just goes through other things. But here's the biggest, it costs $100. And at times that's a lot of money. And if you join Clickfunnels to get into the challenge, you have to take a 14-day challenge, which is $97 a month. But you get to look at this for 14 days to see if it's for you. You get to get inside that challenge, and you don't need to pick up a Clickfunnels account until like the 3rd week of the challenge. Remember I said it was 30 days? See, it costs $100. The biggest thing is you can have people take this challenge with you, and you get paid $100. When you get paid that $100, guess what? That covers your Clickfunnels account, at least for 1 month. See, here it is. All you pay is $100. In exchange for that tiny $100 investment, you get 30 days of video missions from Russell Brunson. $997 value. 30 days of coaching from Stephen Larson, Julie Stoyne. $997 value. One Funnel Away Challenge customized kit. Inside this kit is this. I had the physical one the first time. I've been in this 4 times because I keep learning every day. You get an MP3 player, you get 30 days hardcover book. Now, as I mentioned this, I got the box the first time. Now I take the digital one. Unlimited access to 30 days interviews with the top marketers. And then bonus behind the scenes 2 Comma Club interviews. So it's just unbelievable what you can do with this. So here is the kit. Again, you can get a box shipped to you, or you can get it digital and you can get it right away. All right, so inside, when you take the One Funnel Away Challenge, I talked about 30 days. This is what happens, and this never goes away. This is the One Funnel Away Challenge. This is the mission training. There is actually 5 weeks because the first week talks about belief and shows you different things. And then they go through and he talks about how to start marketing different things on the internet, but also how to build a funnel. And he talks about the hook, the story, the offer. And that is what's so important because I didn't know it. This is when he starts your origin story, the epiphany bridge, hooks, catch-up day. They give you a catch-up day to do it. Then they start talking about funnels. They give you a funnel, right? And then they start showing you how you can build this funnel out. The upsell funnel, the members area funnel, and all this different thing they talk about. See, this is so cool because now guess what? The summit interviews. There are 30 interviews. This is Steven Larson, who is also one of the main people. This is Rachel Peterson. When you click on her name, guess what? You go up here, and when it comes on, here is Rachel. She shares with you how to take entrepreneurial clients from social media. And then she talks about her 30-day plan. And then down below it, you can download her 30-day plan, and then there's more of what she's telling you to do. There's just so many people inside here. As I go down here, I want to show you another guy. This is Spencer Meekum. Spencer's the #1 affiliate. And he was in Hawaii with his wife. He couldn't get a job for minimum wage out there. And he started looking at building a business online. He actually shares with you part of how that works. But he too talks about the 30 days. You can download his plan. And then he talks one more time. 2 parts of all these interviews. Now there's also, when you get into the One Funnel Away Challenge, there's also what they call the affiliate boot camp. In the affiliate boot camp, if I can go back to this, that's I got on JR. Well, let me go back to Russell. Here it is, what Russell talks about. These are the super affiliates, meaning they've made $1 million inside their funnel. And they talk about 100 days to turn this hobby into your full-time career, what they would do. And there's so many different people that JR talks about social media. Joe talks about YouTube. Marley talks about YouTube. Now there's all different things, and why they put so many different people in here is because everybody does something different. You know, they don't know what is tripping your trigger, how you are going to market. So they show all this, and you get this by coming on board the One Funnel Away. No, I did it again. The One Funnel Away Challenge. So below this video is going to be a link to take a 14-day trial, but it's also going to be a link to take the One Funnel Away Challenge. And I challenge you to take the One Funnel Away. When you come on board, I'm going to give you a $297 coaching call, free. Just you and I'll hook up. We'll talk about it. I'll help you get going in this thing. And then what will happen is I'm going to share my funnel with you. And my funnel is a lead magnet funnel because, you know, guess what? The only thing you own on the market is your email list. So I'm going to share with you how to build your email list real easy by sharing a funnel with you. So that's all I got for you today. Here it is. Join this One Funnel Away. Click on that link below and let's get this thing rocking for you. You take care.